everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevelle SS convertible. This is a beautiful car, man. I bought this car out in Arizona, rock solid Arizona body. This car is just undergone, he said it about 6 years ago, was a complete frame-off restoration. But this car, when he started, had 35,000 actual miles on it. And I'm going to show you something cool when we look inside this thing. It says it's got a couple thousand miles on it since he got it done. Actually, while I was waiting to have this car picked up out in Arizona, some of you know my son's a pro ball player. He drove it around, so he probably put 250 miles on this car while it was sitting out there in Arizona. He said, I mean, the car runs and drives excellent. The day we bought it, we drove it a good 45 minutes on the expressway in 90-degree heat. Car drives out awesome. I mean, just a great car. Again, Arizona body, so rock solid Arizona body. It's finished in cranberry red. That was not the original color. I think the original color was actually saddlewood. But gorgeous car. It's got an era correct. It's not matching numbers, but it does have a era correct 396 motor in it. Muncie 4-speed. It's got the F41 suspension with the 12-bolt rear end. It's got factory air. Ton of options on this car, and very cool car. Other than a couple of little touch-up marks, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. You're gonna see a couple. There's a couple little spots in the bumper. I've actually got a brand new bumper in the box that actually will put that bumper on this car. I guess the chrome kind of flaked on the. He bought new bumpers for it, and so there's a brand new bumper in the box. Beautiful car. It's got the cowl hood. Like I say, we're on the expressway at 70 miles an hour. The car drives out awesome. There's a couple little touch-up marks if you want to nitpick the car. And again, if you're a veteran of my videos, I tell you, there's something somewhere on all of them. Great car. I believe, and he told me this is actually the original interior for the car. I don't see anything that to believe it's not. They did put a new dash pad on it. I'm sure out in Arizona they probably had to do that. Power top. I mean, just a great car, guys. I mean, if you want to nitpick, you can see it's got the original trim around there. Kind of nitpick that stuff. But when you look underneath this car, it's been a complete frame off. Beautifully done car. You can see the car's laser straight down the sides, man. Brand new wheels. Those are 18 and 20 inch coys with brand new rubber. It also comes with the factory SS Rally wheels on it. I'm sorry, not on it. It'll come with them. So it comes with 2 sets of wheels and tires. Great car, man. Pretty car. Brand new 18s and 20s all the way around it. Front disc brakes. Again, it's not a matching numbers car, but it does have a era correct. I think it's actually a 71, 72 block is what it is. 396, 4-barrel stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. They converted to HEI distributor. You see the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Factory AC. Now I will tell you, the AC blew ice cold. By my son with the 2 weeks he was waiting to get it picked up. He said at the very end it started to. He said it just wasn't getting quite as cold, so I am going to have it. We got a gentleman coming over to recharge the air just to make sure that the air is all up and everything. I think this radiator, if I remember right, it's actually got what's called a desert heat radiator in it. You West Coast people will know this. Man, I'll tell you what, 90 degrees on the expressway, in traffic, whatever, this car never got over 190. I mean, and he said that they're known for those radiators out there. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Come on. What's going on, man? There it goes. Pretty car, man. Love this car. Remote mirror. Again, a lot of options on the car. New door handles. They have changed the door rubbers. I gotta believe those are new door pads, but I'm not 100% positive, guys. I mean, they've definitely put new sill plates on it. They put new carpet in it. You can see a little wear mark in the seat, you know, but I believe that's all the originally, mostly, I should say, original interior. Sports steering wheel. Now, this is what I'm talking about. When they, of course, it's got a new dash pad on it. He left the gauges alone. He didn't want, you can see they got a little fade to them. And he did that for a reason. 37,586 on the odometer, supposed to be the right miles. The only thing he did change, he said the clock wasn't working, so they had to pull the clock out, and they ended up having to get a new clock for it because they couldn't get it to work. Factory AM FM radio works, power top, blower motor, everything works. Hurst shifter, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, it's got the F41 suspension. It's a 12-bolt rear sway bar. I think it's a 331 gear, which is pretty much stock for an Air big block car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. This is not actually stock. Well, a boot was stock, but he had it done in canvas. You can see it's all spackle coated like it should be. Factory jack with the spare. Although you can see the lines and everything are all new for the top. It's got a brand new top on it with a plastic back window. We'll show you that. Car is stunning underneath. Got it up in the air, got some good pictures for you underneath. Pretty car. Again, comes with 2 sets of wheels. Seats are nice too. I mean, don't think they're all beat up. I mean, they're very nice. Again, you can tell they put a new dash cover on, which is pretty much standard when you're out there in the West. Dash is nice though. Console's real nice. Yeah, pretty much standard rebuilt 396, guys. Again, I'm going to have them go back through the AC, just recharge it. Sorry, you got to bear with me here while I pin the hood here. Not easy to do this with one hand. Factory tach works, amp gauge, all the gauges work, like I say, even the clock works. Factory AM FM radio works, parking brake does work. Go ahead, Jay. That's just like a little water or something, guys. Got that's all brand new top. There you go. Plastic rear window. Good car too, man. I'll tell you, drives excellent. Wouldn't be afraid to get in this car and drive it back to Arizona. Radio works, blower motor works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a gorgeous car, man. Have a great day, guys.